Disturb you, disturb you, disturb you. Give me shame, I give you peace from underneath. Give me mind and being light to reignite. Can you open up the doors to let me in? Can you open up the doors to let me in?
What's up, man? It's your boy, Street the Creator, man. And today, I'm finna give y'all some major jewels, man. I'm finna put y'all down how to make this money work for y'all, man. How to make money while you sleeping. All that, man. Like, straight up. Today was a major day in the stock market, man. It started off down, then shot up like crazy, man. I ain't never seen nothing like this before, man. Since I've been doing these stocks, man, I never seen nothing like this before. Like last week, man, the stocks fell off a cliff, man. So you know what? I didn't buy it first. Then I started buying a couple of stocks, man. So okay, this getting crazy. So I started buying a couple of stocks and stuff, right? So I seen, so then the day, everything just went up. At first it was down. It was down like, okay, it's finna be another down day. I ain't tripping though. I ain't sweating, man, because we used to this, man. That's what we do, man. Today though, it jumped up so high. I ain't never seen it go up this high, man. I might have made more money in this day than I ever made doing stocks, period, in one day. Because it ain't caught all the gains back yet, but they got a lot of gains back today, man. I ain't gonna tell you exactly what I made, but we did good, man. We back in business, man. Whitehead, we back in business, boy. For real now. So I'm gonna show y'all how to get in the stock market, man. It ain't even hard, it's easy. Everybody need to be doing it. Everybody like to make money, get money. Y'all out there hustling. I'm gonna show y'all how to get in this stock market, man. It's super easy, bro. It ain't really nothing like hard. You ain't gotta even have no money to get started, man. You can just get you an account. Get you an account like getting a bank account. Like getting a bank account, man. Like starting it up. Invest this money. Like you got a lot of money. I know a lot of y'all out there some money getters, man. So we gonna show y'all how to get this money. And when y'all ain't doing it with that money, man, let it grow for you. You know, don't waste it. Cause if you sit in the bank account, you sit it in the savings account, man, over time it's gonna lose money. If you keep that same $1,000, you leave it there in a bank account, in a savings account for 10 years, that same $1,000 ain't gonna have the same value. You gotta grow it. You feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how to grow this money, man. Make good money, man. You could be everything. You could be your own bank. You could be your own. Like, it's a whole different game, man. We'll get into that later, man. Like, really, I'm just gonna show y'all how to get into the stock market, man. Y'all just check out my other videos, man. I'm gonna tell y'all all about this stuff, man. I'm gonna show y'all how my mind think about this money, man. Like, for real, I be keying in on this thing, man. Like, for real, bro. Like, this is my first webcam video, man. I got a new tool. We trying it out. But I'm gonna show y'all, man, like, for real. This is the first step. Getting a brokerage account, a stock market account where you can trade stock, trade options, trade futures, trade whatever y'all want, man. I'm finna show y'all. All right. So right here, man, we at E-Trade. I'm gonna use E-Trade. Like I really use Charles Schwab, because that's where the big boys play, Charles Schwab. But I can't do another Charles Schwab account. I got Charles Schwab account. But so I'm gonna use E-Trade because all of them pretty much the same. All of them pretty much the same. They pretty much show like all the same. They pretty much do all the same thing to get involved in it, man. So this is E-Trade. You know, this is a good thing too, but I'm a Charles Schwab, man. We big boy. We do big boys play, man. And then later on, I'm gonna show y'all why I use Charles Schwab too. So like, basically this is it, man. Hold on, let me go back out right quick. I'm still learning how to work this thing, man. So I'm gonna go back out right quick. So basically, here goes Charles Schwab. Basically, account, you know, brokerage account, stock market account, whatever y'all want to call it. So basically, you go to open account. Like anything you should do, like you start a Facebook page, anything, go open account. So we get an open account. Basically, you're gonna choose your what kind of account you want. Retirement account. Like you want to do the 401ks and the Roth IRAs and all that. Boom, you can do it right here. You ain't gotta have a job. You can start your own right here without even having a job, man, because your job gonna do this for you. Everybody trades stock. The world is based on trade stock. Your job does it. The bank does it. They all do it. You know, they do it for you. The bank gonna do you like this. The bank gonna take your money, invest it, and give you back a little percent of it. You feel me? When you can just cut the middleman. All the bank is the middleman. With your job 401k, that's just so you can have some if you want to do it. When you retire, I invest everybody. I invest, but I wish everybody do that have your 401k. So when you do retire, because one day you're going to get old. So you don't want to be old and don't have no money. So you put it in your 401k. Look, but you can do it right here. You can have your own 401k. If you a entrepreneur or whatever, start your brokerage account. Start your own retirement account right here, man. 401k, Roth IRA, all that. You know, the Roth IRA, it don't get taxed like that. You feel me? So that money be yours. And you start a savings account, checking account, CD, all that right here, man. Right here. But we're going to do a brokerage account so we can get to investing in these stocks or trading. That's two different things. And I'll talk to y'all about that later, you know, but we're going to get in investment accounts and stuff. Let me check something right quick. Okay, everything's still good. All right. So you hit continue. So now, all right, choose broker's account type. Just for you or someone else, or for a minor. Oh, okay. Hey, I need to go get one of these for my daughter. I've been trying to do this. Swab wouldn't let me do it. Dang, Swab. Come on now. I was trying to do this with y'all. Y'all wouldn't let me do this, man. Well, I might have to go to E-Trade. Now we're going to do this. I might just get on E-Trade account. But all right, just for you. You will be the individual account holder. Or if y'all want to get one for y'all kid, there y'all go. Or you or someone, you and your husband, or whatever. See, y'all got all them options right there. So you continue. I'm not gonna go through with this because I already got me an account. So I'm just showing y'all how to get it. I can't do Swab because I already got a Charles Schwab account. Are you an existing customer? No. Then he just pretty much put your information in, put mine in, hide some of this stuff from y'all. I'm the phone number. I do that in editing or whatever. And you know, he continue. Then you put your address in or whatever. Easy stuff, man. Easy stuff. Like, it ain't even that hard, bro. Like, basic stuff. Anybody can do this. Middle schooler can do this. Date of birth. 3. Then your social. Occupation, so you got for business owner, retired, self-employed, students, unemployed, account, all this stuff, man. Artist, entertainer, everything, athlete. Anybody can do it. Anybody. I don't even see they got mine on here. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, real estate. For everybody, bro. We got all of us gonna get this money, man. All of us, my community, my people, we gonna get this money, man. I'm gonna show y'all, I'm walk y'all through every step, man. Teach y'all everything. I'm gonna show y'all so many different ways to get money, bro. All illegal. I'm just pick something, bro. It don't even matter because I already got one. So, business owner shit. Entertainment. Look company name down there. All right, man. I'll leave, man. All right. Hey, come. $100,000. Liquid net worth. How am I liquid net worth from sell work? Total net worth. Check that. King. Investment experience. Good. Marital status. Still single, ladies. So, you know. Add trading features. You can add options. We all want to do option trades. You can click all this. You want to do options. You want to do margin trading. I got this with my Schwab account, but I'm just showing y'all how to get in here, man. Like, if you want to trade options, click options, do marginal trade, hit marginal trade. I think you need marginal trade and do like futures and all that stuff. Plus, I'm going to do another video about that marginal trade. I got marginal trade on Schwab, bro. Dude, like, this is crazy. Like, but it's some real boss stuff, bro. It's real boss stuff. I'm telling y'all, bro. Whatever I got, whatever stocks I got, it pretty much give me double that in cash. I can take that and do whatever. I can take out whatever in cash and put it in my pocket or buy more stocks or whatever, bro. Like, this real business stuff, bro. Like, I'm gonna get to all that. In the future, I'm getting all that. In my future videos, bro, I'm gonna show you all this stuff, bro. Like, straight up. You can add future trade, but I'm not selecting all that. I'm not even gonna start this account. I'm just going through it, and when I get to the end, I'm gonna exit out. And then we might go to swab, and I'll show y'all my swab, what all swab can do. There's more questions, man. You know, pretty much all these questions, you got to be like, nah, because this is like for inside trading. Yeah, sir. Yeah, like pretty much all these gonna be like no, because this for like, you put yes, you know, they're saying you know somebody in a position that can do some inside trading, and you don't want to do that. Because then they might, I don't know what they'll do, because I never put yes, but pretty much put no, because this is inside trading. Yeah, own public companies, or do you haven't been notified by the IRS or such to back up with more, no. Continue. Employment compensation, you know, select how you make your money or whatever. We would do it like that. You know, basic questions, bro. Like none of this stuff is hard. You can day trade, charitable, current income, education planning, you know, all kind of ways, whatever. Just pick one. We're gonna select I'm not a day trader, I'm an investor, but you can put learning how to invest, but we're gonna just put trade. I ain't gonna put trade, I'm gonna put invest, wealth accumulation and investment. That's what I do. Wealth accumulation and investments. I'm not a trader. I'm on one of my videos, I'm gonna tell you why I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. This is a big difference. Big difference. Trading like gambling. You know, I'm an investor. I'm a businessman. Yes, you know, so allow someone you trust to confirm your contact information. I ain't gonna hurt by that. Continue. I don't have a promo code. Then you just go through and click all these boxes like, yeah, you know, click all the boxes, say you up fees, you know, not fees, but like the rules or whatever. It ain't nothing too much, you know. Mm-hmm. You mess up, it's on you. You feel me? Okay. But I'm gonna stop right here because I don't want to start I might do start E-Trade account for my kid, but I'm not gonna start no E-Trade account because I got a Swab account. So we're gonna go to Charles Swab right quick. Swab login. We're gonna log into my Swab account. I'm gonna show y'all what Swab got, right? Swab serious business, boy. This is where the big boys play. See, this is where the big boys play. This is how we play. You feel me? Charles Swab, man. Gotta block. I gotta go through and edit a lot, not edit, but block out a lot of this stuff, man. Cause I don't need y'all seeing all my information and stuff, right? I think I can hide some of my stuff from y'all. I don't want y'all know what I'm working with or whatever. So we got that Swab, man. We got that Swab. We're gonna show these stocks and stuff, man. Show how Swab work, right? I fool with Swab, bro. We had a big day today, bro. We making big money. We doing big things, man. Big things moving, bro. You feel me? So all my stocks and stuff, man. I got a big portfolio, man. I got a big portfolio, man. Like for real, I got all kind of stuff going on. A lot of stuff going on, man, on this Swab, bro. They don't get too things. But see, thing I like about Swab, man, just the whole how it's laid out. I like the summary page, like it shows you. You like a business. You like a walking business, bro. Like just like a stock market, stock got a chart. You got your own chart, bro. Show you how your chart moving and whatever. You feel me? Let me hide my stuff. I don't want to show all my stuff off to everybody if I can hide it. But yeah, you walking like a walking business, bro. Look at that chart. That's the kind of chart you want, just constantly gaining, going up, making money. You feel me? Hey, this little different stuff, but we come back. We come back strong. You feel me? Then you go make your little watch list. Watch list is real important too, man. Everybody get you a watch list so you can see what's going on with stocks you don't own. See, these my watch list. This like I call this watching 25. You can name what you want to name them and stuff, man. I call this watching 25, man. Just watching the different stocks and stuff that I want to buy in the future. Or buy more oil, cause I own some of these already. Buy more oil. I don't want Tesla. I just watch Tesla just to see what it's doing. I'm not a Tesla fan. I'm not an Elon Musk fan. So I don't buy Tesla. I might buy. If it go real low, I might buy it. But other than that, I might not buy it. I got the stuff I've been watching, man. Y'all can see this list, man. You can see some stuff I'm watching. I really want to get that BlackRock, man. That BlackRock for $900 a share, though. So I'm thinking about getting some BlackRock. Getting that BlackRock. That's real good stock, man. You got Spotify, you got Google, I got Netflix. These them insurance companies I've been looking at, man. They real good, too. That's gold. Y'all want to invest in gold? This is how you invest in gold. Right here. The GLD. You ain't going to go buy no gold bars and all that stuff, bro. You going to get the GLD, man. This holds the gold, the value. This is what everybody was talking about when they say invest in gold. Right here, man, the GLD. The GLD, man. This is what you do when you want to invest in gold and stuff right here. Boom. GLD. It holds the gold. And, they want to hedge against the gold. They talk all that talk right there, man. This is what they talking about right here. Ain't nobody buying no gold bars, bro. What you going to do with a gold bar? What you going to do with a gold bar? I'm not going to buy no gold bar from. I might, but I don't know. But you ain't going to be able to get no gold bars, bro. You feel me like that? You want to make money off of them, there you go right there. So anybody that orders, man, y'all want some information about a couple stocks, man, just let me know, man. I'll be glad to give y'all information on them, what I think about them. Should you buy them, should you not? Are they a good investment? I'm going to also make a video, man, like the first stocks you need to buy when you start investing, man, how to get invested. And, because you don't want to jump this thing wide open, because you can lose money. You can lose money. I got a couple stocks I don't lost money in. Well, I don't call it losing money until I sell them. But I got a couple stocks I'm down in right now, man, hoping they'll come back. But I'm good, though. We still up for the most part because I just buy good companies. I might have some companies that I might buy to try stuff out, but I don't get a whole bunch of them where it'll mess me up. You ain't gonna get rich. That get rich overnight, bro, ain't gonna work. But it's all about making money, bro. Just you a business, just like a business. When you first open up your business, you're not gonna get rich the next day. You feel me? You gotta build it up. You gotta be there for it, nurture it, man, till it get gold. It's your portfolio. It's your business portfolio. Because all the stocks is owning a business. You're a part owner of a business. Like if me and you want to start a business, me, you, and two other people want to start a business, and it costs the startup gonna cost about $10,000. Each of us put in $2,500. We the 4 shareholders of that company, but all stocks is just a bunch of stock. So the more shares you got, the more owner you come. You got more than 51% of those shares, you own that company. You call all the shots. Just like that. No person owns these stocks. They got a CEO, but he don't own the stock. He just the CEO of the company. You feel me? He the face of the company. The shareholders own the company. They got to do this for the shareholders. The shareholders is the most important thing to them. You feel me? So if that's all you own your own business, bro. That's all it is. You want to own Walmart? Go buy some Walmart shares. You a part owner of Walmart. Somebody asked you, I partly own this mother. Excuse my language, but that's how it is, bro. That's all stocks is, bro. When they make profit, when they get bigger and better, you get bigger and better. You got dividend stock. Dividend, they pay you your part of the profits. You feel me? That's all dividend is, your part of the profit. You got REITs. Like all these big apartment complexes around here, don't nobody own those. Like no one person own those. They owned by companies, corporations. So when you buy a REIT, real estate investment trust, you're buying those big apartments, not just one, lots of them all over the world. You feel me? Or you buying data centers, you buying amusement parks, all that with buying REITs and stuff, bro. That's what REITs is. So when you buy those, you own apartment complexes. When they get their rent and stuff, you get your part. Now look, you ain't gonna get like no fat check. If you invest $100,000 in REITs, you're gonna get a fat check. Because just like buying a piece of property for $100,000, you're gonna get about the same thing you get when you buy stock. Instead of just putting up $100,000, you put up $1,000. So you might not get a bigger check, but you're gonna still get your cut of the profits of the rent money. And you ain't gotta go. You ain't never gotta go there. You never gotta clean up, fix nothing, none of that. Part of that comes out part of the profit. You feel me? You ain't gotta do that. That's the beauty about owning the stocks and stuff, man. Like straight up. I'm gonna show you all a REIT This is a REIT. We go to oh. Hold on, what's up? Hold on. All right. My bad. We back. We going to O. I'm keeping it real with y'all, man. I ain't trying to do all the talking crazy. I'm keeping it 100% real, showing y'all how I go the easy way. I ain't trying to steer y'all around or none of that. You feel me? This is how I go. Oh, been down, everything been down, but this is, Realty Income Corporation REIT. You see that REIT? It's like property owners and stuff. That's what that is. See, this is where the money come in when REIT set. So go down as dividend. So they paying a dividend of 6.1% off your money. So you invest. So for every $54 you invest, you get paid $3.22. That don't sound like much, but the more you get, the more it add up. You feel me? So it kind of balances itself out though. If you had $100,000 worth, that's a lot of money. If you had $100,000, that's a lot of money, man. Let's bring out a calculator for a minute. Let's do a little math, show y'all how this stuff works, man. So he's like, say you got $100,000. Let's say 200. Because a house property about 200. Divide that by the share price. What's the share price? 54, let's say $55. Divided by $55 equals, so that's 3,636 shares, right? So we finna times that by what you get paid? $3.22. $3.22. So you making $11,000 off that property, off of a $200,000 property. Now, if you look at it, you might, that ain't, but look. Okay, say you invest the same $200,000. 9 times 10, you got to use the bank. So the bank gonna put up much of the money. So you still got to pay mortgage on that house. So you got to up the price a little bit to to get a little bit in your pocket. Cause say you a $200,000 house nowadays, man, the mortgage is gonna be $1,000. So you got to get the bank $1,000 off top. So what you gonna rent it out for? You got to rent out for 12. Say you rent out for 12,000, something like that. So you ain't making nothing but $200 a month off the place. Times 12. 200 times 12. $202,400. So you coming out on top. At the same $200,000 property, we making $11,000 off of, and an average person making, the numbers might change. Let's say they making $500 a month off of it. Times 12. Still 6,000. We still up. You feel me? So you have to rent the place out. $200,000 place. You have to rent the place out for $2,000, and you make $1,000 a month because you got to pay the bank back. Because the average person, when you buy a house, you're not going in with $200,000 buying no house. The average person, you going in getting a loan from the bank. The bank gonna pay you. The bank gonna pay for the house. Then you got to pay the bank back. If you're trying to rent it out, you got to raise the price a little bit. So when you raise the price, you raise the $2,000 times 12. Times 12. $12,000. That's all you're gonna make in a year off of rental property. I can get this REIT and invest the same money and make $11,000 off of. Okay, they beat us by $1,000 when you raise the price of $1,000. They beat us by $1,000 or whatever. So with the 12,000. So and I ain't gotta never see it. I ain't gotta deal with no tenants. I ain't gotta clean up. I ain't gotta fix nothing. You feel me? I get that. You feel me? Dividend 3.2 for every share. You feel me? All I gotta do, invest that 54. Every time I invest 54.20, right now, I'm gonna make $3.22. So you gotta make your money work for you. My money is my slave. It's my slave. It works for me. I ain't gonna say it's my worker. It's my worker. It works for me. You feel me? I send it out there. I let it grow. You feel me? I let it bring me back more money. You feel me? That's what it's doing. All my money come in, it gonna go through this first before it even come to me, man. I'm gonna send it through there, make a little money, and I live off that. You feel me? That's how you supposed to do it, man. Like straight up. And that's business. You feel me? Like you just buy stuff like that, man. You doing it with all the hard work, with all the headache. You feel me? Stocks is the greatest. You feel me? I don't care what anybody say. And this ain't the top one. This one's better than this. It look good. And I bought some of these. I bought some more. I don't think I bought no more because I ain't like they chart. I don't like they 5-year chart. It ain't nothing. I like charts go like an airplane. Take off like an airplane. Start off in this, take off. You know, I look at charts and stuff. I look at a lot of stuff when I buy stock. You know, I own some old shares, but I ain't bought no more than dip. I bought some other stuff that is performing a whole lot better. And so imagine. So you getting a dividend, plus you getting appreciation from the stock price. Say that same $54 goes, you still got all them dividends, all them different shares. Say it goes up to $70, $80, $100. Come on, bro. You making money all kind of ways, man. Houses ain't doing that without all the work. We ain't working hard. We don't work hard, man. My hands soft, baby. We don't work hard. You feel me? So, you know, straight up, man. So that's pretty much the gist for it, man. And then another thing, when you go in the swab, you got this right here. You got to think and swim. So you ain't even got to put no money in. You can just start your account for free. You ain't got to put no money in. But we got one of the greatest tools ever. Let me find it. Products. Over here is free. When you get swab accounts, you get think and swim. Where is think and swim? Hold up. Learn how to. So think and swim. Pretty much no. You can also trade stocks on think and swim. It's the same app. It's just you trading off the charts. I don't really trade off the chart, man. That's for trading. So you got think and swim right here. That's a demo, but okay. See, with think and swim, I already think I got this on my desktop. Let me see if I got it on my desktop. Do I got think and swim? There you go, right there. With think and swim. With think and swim, you can trade stocks. Well, learn how to trade stocks with paper money. You feel me? You don't got to have your own money. You can go to the paper money trade and you can play around. You can buy options and using the real stock market. It's using the real stock market. You can play around. You can buy options, buy futures. You can do anything you can do in the stock market with paper money so you can learn the game. So when you get swapped, you get think and swim. That's another good reason to get swapped. Because that's why I told you this where the big boys play. This is where the big boys play. Hold on, I have to call them back. I call them back. So this is where the big boys play, man. And you got tools like Think or Swim where you don't even got to have no real money right away. You feel me? You can go in and play around with it, get to know it, learn it, see what happened and get to learn it. It's all about learning. You're going to learn it over time because it's your money. But see, when you play with that Think or Swim, using all the same tools, real-time data, real-time stock market going up, going down, but you can trade stocks with paper money. Hold up. It's doing updates. Let's install updates, man. I want to show y'all this before we go, man. So hurry up. So you can go in and use the Think or Swim and trade. Come on, Think or Swim. Updates. I ain't opening it, man. I go straight to Swamp. I'm gonna take that phone call right quick. So all right, y'all, we ain't gonna go and Think or Swim because it got an update. I ain't trying to have this video be too long, and I gotta go. I got something I gotta do, man. But look, that's how y'all get in. It's real easy. Ain't nothing to it. That's all you gotta do. Just get in there, look at it. And I'm finna make more videos, man, on all this stuff, man, about how to get invested, how I think, other ways of making money, man. Like you wouldn't even think of, like easy, a little bit of here, a little bit of there. You know, just make a little money, man. So, hey, y'all come back, holler at me, man. Street the Creator, man. We out. Peace.
You can put the heart inside, don't talk about yeah.